Hey guys, curious ka ba kung paano namin napapaabot ang affordable medicines nationwide? Today, I'll take you behind the scene kung paano kami sa Bun Pharma at Bambang Pharma nagbibigay serbisyo sa libo-libong customers all over the country. Hi, I'm Alvin Tubok, founder of Bun Pharma and Bambang Pharmaceutical Depot, Inc. Dito sa channel ko, we talked about business, politics, growth, no flap, just real value. Sa Bun Pharma at Bambang Pharma, we make it super easy for you to order. Pwede ka mag-order through phone call, email, Viber, Messenger, or you can also make orders directly through our e-commerce platforms. Like we have www.bambangpharma.com, www.bunpharma.ph. Our products are also actually available at TikTok, Shopee, and Lazada. So kahit saan ka, you can reach us easily. Now, after placing an order, customers can pay through multiple payment options. Pwede cash, GCash, Paymaya, bank transfer, credit or debit card, Atome, Bill, Ease, GoTime, and a lot more. Basta kung ano yung pinaka-convenient para sa'yo, yun ang ibibigay namin. Now, pag na-process na ang payment, customers can choose kung gusto nilang i-pick up ang stocks mismo sa store or gusto nilang ipa-deliver using couriers like JNT, Lalamove, LBC, Solid Shipping, AP Cargo, and more. So you have actually full control sa kung papaano mo gustong ma-receive ang orders mo. Now, kung gusto mo naman pumili in person ng products, pwede rin. You can come in person and shop like doing groceries sa depot branches namin. Para kang nasa grocery, lakad-lakad, pili, tapos diretso sa counter. Mas mabilis, mas enjoyable, at very convenient. Ang advantage pa nito, nakikita mo ang actual products at talagang makakapili ka. Isa sa very proud ako dito is that we're able to build the system para ma-prioritize ang convenience at accessibility. Hindi lang basta bintahan. We make sure na kompleto ang needs mo. Mabilis ang service at super friendly ang team namin. Sa Bun Pharma and Bambang Pharma, we don't just supply medicines and medical supplies. We actually build trust. Our mission is to really make healthcare accessible and affordable and hassle-free for everyone nationwide. Right guys, so anong part ng process namin ang pinaka nagustuhan mo? Please just comment below, and if you want more behind the scenes stories and business insights, please subscribe and click the notification button below. Okay, again, I'm Alvin, bringing real stories and real value para sa iyo. Okay, see you on the next video.